Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lokesh. So we are going to start with the most interesting stuff. We are going to dive right into the Azure portal and we'll try to do or explore some of the options there. So today's video will be a little tour of the Azure portal. We'll be uh, getting comfortable with the Azure portal because it can be overwhelming because there are more than 600 services in the portal. So don't get overwhelmed by that. I've been working on this Azure portal for last 2 months. And when I started out, I was like not able to find out where to search for what. But as the time went by, as I started using the services, I came to know about the process of how it works. And that is what I'll be explaining to you guys. So let's start doing the practical stuff. So you need to log into something called portal.azure.com and there are different uh, accounts here. So I'll be using the non-official account, which is the second one. And I hope you already have created Azure portal, so you will get a 30-day free trial with some account, some funds in it that you can use in order to play around and do some demo that we'll be doing. And so it's asking for me a bunch of different things. And here it is, guys. So this is how the portal looks like. Azure portal is your web application. Most of the time when you will be working on Azure, you will be using the web browser, either Internet Explorer or Edge or Chrome. So I prefer Chrome, and that's why I use that. And so you can see that these are the services that I've already created. So resources, services. So you need to understand few terminologies here. One is services, the other is resources. These two can be used interchangeably most of the times. And there is something called resource group. So resource group is a similar concept that you have on your on-premise realm. That is when you log in into a particular application. For example, you log in into an on-premise SQL server, you will be sharing a kind of shared credentials which belong to a particular group. That group can be a group for your team or for your project or for your region. So similarly, we have to create a resource group here, and you can create a resource group on various regions based where the servers, Azure servers are placed. So you can find it out online and you can use that. So you have to understand the concept of resource groups, and one resource group can have access to one or many services. So, and one resource group can also be shared amongst various team members. Resource group is different from credentials. Credentials is what is used to log in into Azure portal, but resource group is a little different thing. It just you can say it's just a kind of environment that we create so that we can start using the services. Now, another analogy that I want to give you is in an on-premise world, you have different environments. For example, you have a dev environment, you have a QA environment, you have a UAT environment. Similarly, the similar thing can be achieved with the help of resource groups, although it's not the efficient way to do that, but you can still get the same kind of effect using resource groups. So this was about resource groups, and so you have resource services inside the resource group, and you can see here there are a lot of services here. When I click on more services, uh, a huge pile of services come on the window. And I think, as I said, there are more than 600 services that are available with Azure Cloud or Microsoft Cloud. And so yeah, so this is how the web application looks like. And if you want to search for any services, for example, I want a SQL database to be created, I will simply type in the SQL database and all the I will simply type in the keyword SQL and all the services related to SQL databases will pop up, and then you can start creating your services. And another thing that I wanted to point out here is most of these services are software as a service. Some of these are platform as a service, and some of these are infra as a service. And what's the difference between these three terminologies? It's a different topic altogether, but you need to just understand that these services run on Azure service centers, and you get to access these services with the help of a web application or a web site. So this is it, guys. I hope this helps. So in the coming video, we'll be doing the practical stuff of I think what we thought of doing was to get some files from our local repository and insert the data into a SQL table, in Azure data table, or Azure data warehouse. So we'll be doing that in the upcoming videos. And till then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye, guys.